Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones Soundcore A25i. You have to start by open the application, now go to controls, and now you should decide you wanna use single tap, double tap or press and hold. I prefer single tap, so I will use it. Now let's work with the left one. For the single tap for the left one I prefer to take a volume down, but you can also take a volume up. And for the right one, volume up. And now, if I press one time on my right earbud, I will increase the volume. So as you can see, it works again and again. And if I press one time on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. Just I press it and that's all. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!